Alright, we are here on Sanibel. What do you see? Robert saw something. We are night shelling, listening to the Blues game, finding too many shell piles. It's a bit overwhelming. So overwhelming. Okay, if you see something, please pick it up. Don't go in front of me in hopes that I'm going to actually see it.
But you started yelling at me, woman. Don't put up with that crap.
Oh, look at that.
I'll leave you right where I found you.
No, you won't. You love me. You know it. Where you found me. I believe I found you.
What are you talking about? I wasn't some dog walking along the side of the road.
Didn't I email you first? So doesn't that mean I found you?
Look at that one.
What? Oh, look how big that is.
It's a real puke fuck.
Have we ever talked about this? You know how I met my husband? Match.com. Before, right when internet dating first started, before it became a crazy madhouse, when you could actually trust people. That's how I met Robert.
I was bamboozled.
You were bamboozled. So Robert disagrees with me about the trusting part? Is that what you're saying? So yes, Match.com does result in happy marriages. Not sponsored. What is that? Is that just like a piece of coral? I don't know that I would ever do that internet dating again, but it worked out for me. I don't know that I recommend it for other people. There are too many crazy stories. This is the point of where my back starts killing me. Ooh, look at this tulip right next to this creepy crab claw. Oh my god, that's a nice tulip. Oh, and look at this. That's a nice one. So we have noticed several crabs here that we didn't notice earlier. So, don't know. What's the score now, honey? Still tied. Olive, my favorite. Try not to blind my husband with my headlamp. It's a little difficult. Oh my god, did you just scare me with that?
Is that a tarantula?
What is it? It is a tarantula. I don't appreciate you throwing it at me. Ugh, I don't know. Don't know what it is. That's a nice olive. I think we're going to need to get another suitcase, that's for sure. Did you just say you lost the shell? That is not allowed. I can't believe how big this shell is. There's a pretty little orange one. And there's the water. An olive. Ooh, what's that? Now it's just so. Oh. Huh, honey bunny?
You made it.
Oh, I think you're right. Mama's wrong again. Yes, you're always right. Blah, blah, blah. Robert's always right. Blah. Blah, 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 blah.
Who's right?
Shut up. I said you were always right. What more do you want?
Why do you argue with me though?
Because I'm a woman, and that's what we do. We argue.
Sure yourself every time. Everything wrong.
One of these days, I will be right.
But I won't believe you because you cried
It is the wolf. The boy who cried wolf. Oh my god, this is absolutely 100% the shell pile. I don't even know why I should just obediently follow and listen to everything you say. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, that would be a much better life for you.
I'm pretty happy with my life as it is, so I don't know if I could take it if it was much better.
Let someone life's good.
Yes, well, yes, well, you work hard and I enjoy the spoils of your working hardness. And the fruits and vegetables of your labor.
I don't think there's as many good shells.
Well,
They
it's...
picked it clean.
It can happen. Wait, what's that? What's that right there? Is that a broken one?
That's broken. This one's not though.
But that walk right there is broken?
Yeah, it's broken. See,
That's a bummer.
it's just a shell. Shell
Well,
of its
these are
previous
all
self.
shells, technically.
The shell of its previous self.
It's a shell of its previous self.
Come on, score.
Oh my god, Robert. Is your back hurting yet, or is it just...
Shell.
Oh, so many... Oh, there's a...
I like this part.
It's a good
Is that
part.
part of a sand dollar?
What do we see?
This is like 25 cents worth.
I don't get it. Yes, that is a part of a sand dollar.
You need the whole thing though.
I need a whole sand dollar.
I know where to get those.
Is a rarity.
Just go down the street to the store.
Marco Island. The only place I've really found good sand dollars is Marco Island. What's that? I can't reach over. Do you see it? Yes.
With this thing?
Yes, please.
Oh, what the? Ah, you.
Oh, is there a crab in it? What is
No.
it? There's your flashlight. You just threw your flashlight. Can I ask, why did you throw your flashlight?
I thought it had me.
All right, there it is, right in front of you. There's nothing in it.
It was the strap of the.
Yes, that shell within a shell. That shell within a shell almost had
My
you.
finger was caught in. I thought it crab had
Oh,
me.
it was. Oh, Robert.
Don't drink and shell. It's a bad.
Don't drink and shell. Robert may have had a couple margaritas in there.
It got me. I thought it had me. I really thought it was crab. What the hell was that? Is this? Freaking out.
Robert,
What's that?
it's okay.
Oh man, my stomach hurts now.
Because you laughed too hard, or you like,
I think that's a good one.
you pulled a muscle running too far, like running from yourself?
I don't know. I saw a shadow. I thought it was a black cat. I like black
There are
cats.
no black cats on this beach.
I was
I can
thinking
tell
about
you that
panther.
right now. I hope there's no panthers on the beach. That would
I'd like
be...
to see one, but not at night.
These shells look a lot smaller than the pile earlier. Oh, there's a crab. There's another dead crab. That's like the third...
That's not a good sign.
That's the like third dead crab we've
I
seen.
guess it's normal at the dock.
Okay, quit throwing them.
I can't do anything but throw. What do you want from me?
I want to turn around. That's what I want to do.
Why? We haven't been this far yet. Be careful.
Well, I would like to explore it during the day.
Here, I'll give you something. Here.
Oh, thank you. All right, Robert's got shell. He's got his kangaroo pouch of shells. Thank you.
There you go.
And an
That's it.
extra hair to spare. Thank you. No, I really do want to turn around, please. We'll explore it tomorrow in the daylight. I want to reaccess these shell piles, please. Are you ignoring me? He's ignoring me. All right. On your way.
I wish she was calling me.
Oh, stop it. I will punch you in the face.
Really?
You're not going into the ocean.
See, the ocean is calling me.
That's a
I
big
feel like
bubble.
there's going to be something here. There's another 25 cents.
25 cents of a sand dollar.
That's a nice clam.
That is a nice clam shell. That is a huge...
Why is this not working? I don't want to hear it.
Then let's turn back around.
Okay, we will. Just give it another minute.
Who's about as bad as me right now?
but you don't know what's ahead.
Okay, we will explore it tomorrow.
It could be the land of milk and honey. You don't know that.
I'm telling you right now, there is no milk and honey ahead.